From the bottom of my heart to the depth of my soul, I wish for all that life treat you better than people ever will. A series that began 3 months ago is now going to be acknowledged. That series being called Aware. Aware 1 was based on men, who they are, what their potential is, and what is their role in society. Now that can be determined by many, many factors. But is it just men? Is it just women? Or is there a third gender? That's been the controversy for the last 6, 7, 8, 9 months. Everybody wanting a part of being whole. Yes, to be aware is to be whole. So you look at cultures in many, many different areas of the world. There is a place for that third called gender. Now, yes, based on science, there is a man, there is a woman. But based on nature, there is an A personality. An individual that has both feminine and male attributes. That have both the semen and the egg. Because in nature, they do not need a partner or a, they don't need to procreate with another gender. They have the capacity to be gender neutral. So why is it that in nature it is considered no different and no less complicated than it is between a man and a woman? The point is that we, as human beings, have an innate ability to become more than what we are. And yes, it may go away from the norm, or what you're used to, or what you're conditioned to, but it doesn't mean that you are some aberration or apparition. You know what I'm trying to say. You're not an apparition of some unknown, undetermined individual. You see all of those storks, I think they are, behind me in this metal art. How is it that every one of them look similar in design? They look similar in size, in color, and yet are not incapacitated by being the same. Wow. It is like, or is it like? Maybe. What about that? What is that? That is a reflection. For now. But we're all a reflection of ourselves. So be yourself. because that's the only way to live. Because we are all individuals. And that you can take to the bank.